This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the canvas. Cleanse the hand with an alcohol wipe so the sticker sticks and lasts. Once done, select a sticker shape that matches the palm or finger length. This matters because alignment affects the final look. Peel the backing slowly from one edge and press the sticker onto skin with light pressure, smooth from center out to remove air. Make sure to keep fingers relaxed. Stretching skin now will distort the design later. Once the sticker sits flat, press all edges firmly for 20 to 30 seconds using a soft cloth. This ensures full contact and prevents lifting. Then, if the sticker overlaps a finger or cuticle, trim excess carefully with small scissors or nail clippers. Cut along natural lines to keep the design seamless. Next, dust a light layer of translucent powder over the sticker to set it. This reduces shine and helps the sticker resist rubbing and moisture during daily activities. To finish, seal the design. Spray a light coat of makeup setting spray or apply clear nail polish around the edges. This locks the sticker in place. Once set, avoid heavy scrubbing for the first hour so the adhesive cures. If an edge begins to peel, reheat it gently with warm breath or a hairdryer on low while pressing down. This reactivates the adhesive. If removal is needed, use an oil-based remover and lift slowly to prevent skin irritation or residue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.